Of the following, which stage is called as quiescent stage? Okay. Now understand what is the meaning of this word. So this means being at rest or inactive. This means being at rest or inactive. Okay. Now it is during G0 phase that the cell withdraws from the cell cycle, and hence G0 phase is called as quiescent stage. So it will not grow, it will not divide, it will be an inactive stage. Next question. Now there is assertion and reason. Okay, assertion and reason. Now remember, whenever there is assertion and reason, correct option A will be when both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation. B, when assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation. C, when assertion is true but reason is false. And D, when both are false. Okay, so let's see if assertion is true or it is false. The G0 phase of the cell cycle is called as quiescent stage. This is a true statement, so the assertion is true. Okay. In G0 phase, the cells are metabolically active and they continue to proliferate. Do they continue to proliferate? No. In G0 phase, they do not undergo division. They are metabolically active but they do not proliferate. So, your reason is false. So, the assertion is true but the reason is false. Okay, so the correct option is C. Now, next. In S phase of the cell cycle, amount of DNA doubles, amount of DNA remains the same, chromosome number is increased and amount of DNA is reduced. See, in S phase is characterized by DNA replication. So the DNA doubles in the S phase. Next, a somatic cell that has just completed S phase of its cell cycle as compared to the gamete of the same species will have, okay. See, it will have twice the number of chromosomes and 4 times the amount of DNA. Why? Because, see, the correct option would be C. Why? Because in S phase, the DNA replicates. So the DNA undergo replication. That means the DNA material will double already. Okay, but chromosome will remain same. Chromosome will remain same. On the other hand, a somatic cell, okay, which has 2n number of chromosome, it will undergo meiosis and its content will be reduced to half. Okay, so the chromosome number will be further reduced to half. Okay, so the SSC, in somatic phase that is undergoing, the somatic cell will be having half reduced chromosomes. So it will have, so the S phase will have the double the number of chromosomes and it will have 4 times the number of chromosomes, and the DNA material, it will be double, okay, as compared to each cell. Okay, so the correct option is C. It will have twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA. Okay. Next. Mitosis is characterized by reduction division, equal division, both reduction and equal division, or none of the above. See, we know that in mitosis the genetic material of the daughter cell is same as compared to that of the parent cell. Okay, so it is an equal division. Meiosis, on the other hand, the cell will have reduction in the chromosome number, but in mitosis the cell will have equal number of chromosomes. So the correct option is C. Next. During cell division, chromosome attach with the spindle fiber by, the correct option is kinetochores. Okay, because of the spindle fibers at the centromeres of the chromosomes, So the spindle fibers will attach to the chromosomes at kinetochores, okay, and they are arranged in the equator or the equatorial plate. Next, spindle fibers are formed from microtubules, okay, and microtubules are made up of protein tubulin. Remember, microtubules are further made up of the proteins tubulin. Spindle fibers attach on kinetochore of the chromosome. This which is two questions before. In mitosis, the movement of chromosomes require, see, it is the spindle fibers which contract to pull the chromosomes towards the pole, right? So spindle fibers are essential for the movement of chromosome. Next, which is not true for anaphase of mitosis. Centromere divides, it does divides. Spindle fibers contract, this is also true. The nucleolus appears. Does this appear during anaphase? No. The nucleolus reappears during telophase. Okay, so C statement is false. How many mitotic divisions are needed for a single cell to make 128 cells? Okay. Now a single mitotic division results in the production of 2 cells from a single one. So the formula is 2 raised to number of divisions. Okay. Now we want this to be 128. So 2 raised to 7 will give me 128. So how many divisions will it undergo? 7 divisions. Okay, so the correct option is 8. What is synapses? Synapses is it crossing over between non-homologous chromosome? Is it pairing of homologous chromosome? Junction between axon and dendritus of two different neurons, or is it zigzag junctions in the cardiac muscle fiber? See, the definition only of synapses says that it is pairing of homologous chromosomes. So the correct option is B. Next. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosome is called bivalent. See why? Because in zygotine stage, the homologous chromosomes coming from two parents begin to pair lengthwise. Okay, so what happens is the homologous chromosome from two parents begin to pair, and this pair is called as bivalent. Okay, hence the correct option is C. Next, bivalent in meiosis are, see, they are tetrads. Why? Because two chromatids of homologous chromosome, they later on form a tetrad stage. Okay, so the correct option is A. When during meiotic division do the homologous chromosome pair with each other? It is during the zygotine phase. Okay. See, what happens is in the leptotene stage, the chromosomes will be in thread-like structure. Okay. So the chromosomes are in thread-like structure. Okay. Then in the next stage, which is zygotine, the homologous chromosome pair up and they become shortened. Okay, so now the chromosomes will become pair up and their length will shorten. So it is, the pairing happens in the zygotine stage. Next question. chromonymata start associating into a bivalent chromosome during zygoting. Why? Because pairing between homologous chromosome takes place during zygoting phase. Always remember, it is during zygoting that the pairing of homologous chromosome takes place. So pairing of homologous chromosome takes place in zygoting. Next, during which stage of prophase 1 genetic recombination of parental characters takes place? It is during Pachydien that the crossing over occurs. Okay, so during the Pachydien phase, crossing over occurs. Okay, so it is during this phase that the genetic recombination will happen. Next, the enzyme recombinase is involved in the process of crossing over of which stage? So recombinase enzyme is involved in the crossing over of Pachydien stage. Okay, so this enzyme recombinase is required during crossing over, and crossing over happens in Pachydien stage. Next, terminalization occurs in which stage? Okay, so we know that dikinesis is the last stage of phase 1. Okay, and in which the chiasma move towards the end of chromosome. Okay, so here what happens is the chiasma moves towards end of chromosomes. All right. Next, in meiosis, the centromere divides during. So the correct option is anaphase 2. Okay. So centromere divides and the chromatids move towards opposite pole during anaphase 2. So what happens is centromeres divide and chromatids move towards opposite pole. Okay. Next, 4 daughter cells are formed after meiosis are 4 daughter cells formed after meiosis are genetically different, right? Because the genetical composition is each daughter cell will be having half the number of chromosome with respect to the parent cells. Why? Because daughter cells are having half the number of chromosomes. So daughter cells have half number of chromosome if you compare it with that of the parent. So therefore they are genetically different. Meiosis and mitosis differ from each other because in meiosis 4 nuclei not similar to the parent ones are formed. Homologous chromosomes pair and exchange part. This is also true. Number of chromosomes get divided into half. This statement is also true, which means all of the above are correct statements. So the correct option is D. Synaptonemal complex is formed during meiotic prophase 1. Okay, so this complex is formed during meiotic prophase 1. If A is the amount of DNA present in a cell and after mitosis the amount of DNA per cell in G2 phase will be, see, after mitosis the cell will enter into S phase, right? And what happens in S phase? S phase is characterized by DNA replication. So the DNA material will get doubled. So if it was A, now it will become 2A. Next, During which phase of the cell cycle the amount of DNA in a cell remains of 4C level if the amount is denoted by 2C. See, DNA duplication occurs in G2 and M in S phase. This leads to an increase in 2C concentration to 4C, which decreases to 2C at the end of M phase. Okay, so the correct option is D. Okay, next. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cells? Okay, chromosome movement, it occurs in mitotic cells. Synapses. Okay, what is synapses? Synapses is pairing of homologous chromosome, and this happens in meiosis, pairing of homologous chromosome. Okay, and this occurs during zygotine phase of meiosis. So synapses is not a part of mitosis in somatic cells. Next, which is not a characteristic of mitosis? See, all these leptotene, zygotine, pachitine, they all are part of meiosis. So all of the above, they are not a part of mitosis. Now select the correct match. The correct option is zygotine synapses. It is during the zygotine phase that the pairing of homologous phase occur. So here pairing of homologous chromosome occur. Okay. Telophase 2, it is not the end of mitosis, it is the end of meiosis. Synthetic phase is not G phase, it is S phase. And mitosis is not reductional division, it is actually equational division. Alright, next. Pachitine occurs in meiosis. Okay. It is the third stage of prophase 1. Next, which type of cell division occurs in gonads? Okay, both A and B. Mitosis will occur during growth phase and meiosis will occur during gametogenesis. Okay, so when it is growth, when it is undergoing growth, mitosis will take place, and when it is undergoing gametogenesis, that means generation of gametes, then meiosis will take place. All right.